Gerard, editor-chief of Filipino Soul Magazine, aka Mr. Vegas to some, representing the purple one. I am the prince of wannabes. Well, you know, here in Dumaguete, first of all, in the Philippines, let me explain something to you before we do this video. This is 1,000 pesos. 1,000 pesos is equivalent to $20 in US money. This is 500. 500 is equivalent to what? Which is half of 1,000? $10. That's right, $10. But this is 100 pesos. Now, 100 pesos, you have to break it down. There are 5 100 pesos and 500. How are you? Okay. So there's 5 100 pesos and 500 pesos. So that means that each peso, two of these is equal to $2.50, roughly. One of these is equivalent to $1. Somewhere along the line, you have to do the math. But what I want to show you is that what you can buy with 100 pesos. Now, you know, in the Philippines, they have a lot of eateries, a lot of places where you can stop and eat and buy food. They're like outdoor restaurants, mom and pop stores, or they're called takeouts. So right now, we are at a takeout. Come up here, Jordan. Back up. We're at a takeout right now, and this is Catherine. Come here, Catherine. Stand over here because the glare is coming in. Catherine, tell everybody who you are.
Hi, my name is Catherine Sunny Rodriguez.
Okay, how old are you?
17.
Okay, and you have a TikTok. Tell everybody where your TikTok is. You're gonna see her do her TikTok. She does a lot of TikTok. She has a lot of. Catherine is daughter to Joy, who you may know her. She's been with me for 2 years. And Catherine and her friend always come out to my house on weekends, and they have a party, as they say. Not just party, but party. So, but what I want to show you is what you can buy with 100 pesos. So, right here, if you come closer, you can see the type. You see how it is displayed. It's displayed here. So normally a customer will come and he would pick this up and look. And then he would look at this. Pork chops. Then he will look at this. Menudo.
Yeah.
And then he will look at this.
Bicol Export.
This what?
Bicol Export.
Okay, picalos. And then he'll look at this.
Chicken curry.
This is chicken curry. And then they will look at this.
Tinunoang isda.
This is fish. And then you come over here and you have, this is one of the popular dishes. What's this called?
Bihon.
Bihon. It's like a spaghetti. And what's this called?
Inatayan.
And then of course, you have rice. Okay, so, and what is this? Ooh, we got soup. What is that?
Pilatan.
Okay, pilatan. Okay, now, this is the first place I'm going to stop at. I'm going to stop at a couple of other places. But right now, I want Catherine to make me a dish for 100 pesos so you can see what 100 pesos will buy here in the Philippines when it comes to food. Catherine?
On top of rice.
Ayag daghan. Ayag daghan. Tara, jadi na sa ganahan. Uy! Hindi sa ganahan. Bawasan na ng rice.
Now remember, this is for 100 pesos.
Ayun na.
Which is roughly equivalent to about $1 and change.
Ayun makatir. Saan ka? Ayun makagkuhan.
30 pesos.
Oh, that's just 30 pesos.
30 pesos.
Okay. So that means we got 70 more pesos to spend. Let's go with my favorite. Let's go with the curry chicken.
Curry.
Legs.
And potato. Okay.
35 pesos.
Okay, that's 35. So this is 5 pesos or 35 pesos? This is 35 pesos.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Do we have pork? Okay, go ahead. A pork chop?
Another 35 pesos.
So how much is that?
35, so 100.
Okay, that's 100 pesos?
Yeah.
Okay, so all this for 100 pesos. We're going to put it over here on the table so you can kind of see. Thank you, Captain.
You're welcome.
And Captain, you got Facebook? Tell them where your Facebook is.
Cat Rodriguez.
Spell it for them.
CATHRODRIGUEZ.
Okay.
Thank
Okay, we're going to come over here. And this. It's for 100 pesos. Roughly for $1. For $1, this is enough food. This is enough. This is enough that probably can feed a couple of people if you're into rice and all that stuff, which I'm not. But I'm not going to eat it. I'm going to sit here and just marvel at what in the Philippines is all about. Food, drink, chicken, my favorite. Okay, now, but finished playing tennis this morning, and I come here and I eat breakfast. Of course, I don't eat this much rice or whatever, but I just want to let. So remember, this is Gerard, Energy for Philippines, the whole magazine. Remember, dreams are nothing more than plans of waiting action. Never disrespect the elderly, always pull someone up. And sometimes you're the only one who can see your vision. And the best revenge in life is to live good. I'm living good today. I hope you are too. And if you're lucky enough to have a woman like Ali Woodson, one son, lady. And because I am an American, because how I like to eat things, this is what I do. I mix it all together. And I never have the same dish twice. So, I will talk to you later. Peace.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, I want you to come away from the door. I want you to stand on this side right here. Stand right here. Okay. So that way it's over. Okay, hello everybody. Hello. My Mundad. My uncle. My harpoon. Okay, my name is Gerard. I am from the United States. And I have a magazine. Mom Josie is my very good friend. She has helped me with my magazine, and I take my magazine all over the world. So this video, everybody wave at the video, say hi. It's going to be shown all over the world for you guys. So what are you learning here today? So what are you studying? What's your name? Okay, look. I'm going to tell you something, okay? The most important thing for you to do is to remember that you can be whatever it is you want to be. Okay? You can go wherever it is you want to go. Okay? But you have to have a dream. You have to have a goal. You have to be able to know what it is that you want to do. Okay? You've got to be able to know what you want to do. Okay? And once you know what it is that you want to do, then you can be there. Okay? And in order to be there, you also have to, when you wake up in the morning, you have to have plans. Like, what is your plan when you wake up in the morning? What's the first thing you do? First thing you do is what? You brush your teeth in the morning? Or do you go to the bathroom? Do you eat breakfast? Do you eat breakfast? Sometimes. Okay, the thing is that you have to have a plan. You have to plan what it is that you want to do in life. She's so good. Remember, you have to have a plan. But I also want you to ask your mama and ask your papa every day and say, Mama, what can I do for you today? Say, Papa, I'm talking to you. Okay, so I want you to say with me, dreams. Come on, baby, that's not loud enough. Dreams. Are nothing more than plans awaiting action. All right, okay. So I want to say thank you for all of you for letting me talk to you. Does anybody have any questions about the United States? Does it? No. No. You have no questions? You have no questions about my country? What? Okay, raise your hand. Who has a question? Come on, surely you have one question. Okay, let me ask you a question. What's the name of your president? No, shh. What's the name of your president of the Philippines? Huh? Okay, wait. Okay, wait. There's 20 pesos. Who can name the president of the United States? Of the Philippines. Who? Come on, man, get this. Come here. That's right. He said that. Okay. You know, I want to tell you something. You may hear a lot of things about your president. But your president in your country is saving my life. So before I get blown away, I want to say thank you. And I want to thank Maya for working. Put her hands together for Maya on the camera. Okay, Maya, come here, Maya. You know I can't. I got to show the people who you are. Don't stop it. Did you stop it? Did you stop it?
No.
Okay, come here. Give me the phone. Say hello, Maya. Okay, Maya, how old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
8 years old. What grade are you in?
Grade 4.
Fourth, okay. And you got any questions about the United States? Okay, Maya has been over to my place. She's gone to the pool and everything. Maya, it's so nice to see you. And I think I got 20 pesos in my pocket for you helping me with the phone. Thank you very much, Maya.
Thank you.
Okay, put it back on me. Okay, this is Gerard, editor-in-chief of Filipino Soul Magazine. Remember, dreams are nothing more than plans awaiting action. Never disrespect the elderly and always pull someone up. And sometimes you may be the only one to see a vision. I want to thank Josie over here. Josie, come over here. Josie, say hello. And if you haven't got a dream, a goal, and idea, Josie is also one of the transcribers of the magazine. She's helped me. She's one of the contributing writers. Thank you very much, Josie, and for inviting me here. So remember, if you haven't got a dream, a goal, an idea, a train of thought, don't worry about it. Do what I do. Get as much as you can, as fast as you can, and go home. And if you're lucky enough to have a woman like Ollie Woodson, former lead singer of The Temptations, used to sing. You know who Ollie Woodson is? He said, treat her like a lady. You treat her like a lady. And remember, I'll always love you more. Everybody throw them a kiss. Ready? Throw everybody in the United States a kiss. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Greetings, everyone. This is Gerard, editor-in-chief of Filipino Soul Magazine. But right now, we're still in Cebu, Philippines. It's a wonderful town, and the people here are just fantastic. They're very friendly. But I want you to meet a few of my friends. Got everybody? Got everybody? Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3.